Okay, in this video, I will show you how to install Python. There are multiple ways of installing Python. You can go to python.org and install Python from there. I would recommend to use Anaconda distribution. It has Python, it has a lot of packages pre-installed, it has Jupyter Notebook as well. So installing through Anaconda is easier as well. So if, for example, if you're working on a Windows system, you should download the executable for Windows. We will be working with Python 3 rather than Python 2. So you should be downloading Python 3 point, whatever the latest version is. Further, if your system is 64-bit, you should be installing 64-bit version. Otherwise, you will be installing 32-bit version. So let's say you have downloaded the executable file for Windows. Then after the download, you just run that exe file and follow the steps, and you'll be able to install Anaconda. Once the Anaconda is installed, then in the search bar, you just type Anaconda prompt, and the Anaconda prompt kind of symbol that my mouse is pointing at, this will appear in front of you. You just run it. You will see a command prompt like so. Then in that, just type Jupyter Notebook and press enter, and you'll be having Jupyter running in front of you. Let me show you that on my system how to do that. Let's see. For example, this is my search bar. Let me type Anaconda prompt. So this is the Anaconda prompt. So if I click it, it runs. Then I just type, for example, Jupyter Notebook, and then I just press enter. For the first time, it will take some seconds to run, so let's wait for it. So yes, it runs, and it will show you kind of a browser in front of you, and that's what the Jupyter interface is. We will see then how from this Jupyter how to write the code, how to make the code files and stuff, but that's how from Anaconda, after installing Anaconda, that's how you will launch the Jupyter. So this is that easy, no problem. Then, for example, you can install Python if you're working on Linux, and just download the version for Linux. And then, for example, let's say your file is downloaded in the downloads folder. Then run this command bash and this .sh. That's the file name. The installer prompts in order to continue installation process. These kind of commands will appear. Press enter to continue, then press yes, and the installer will finish with the thanks message. After that, you just go to downloads folder and type Jupyter Notebook, and the Jupyter Notebook interface, the browser-based interface, will appear in front of you. You can have, if you're working on Mac, you can download the Anaconda distribution for Mac. Then you'll find an Anaconda navigator, the launchpad. You can launch that, and then just click there's a Jupyter icon in front of you. Just press the launch button, and you'll be having your Jupyter running in front of you. So in this video, we just talked about how to install Python. If you install Python using Anaconda, you'll be having Jupyter Notebook as well. In the next video, we will see how to actually use that Jupyter Notebook interface. For example, I work on Windows, so I'll be having this kind of interface. Although the interface looks like the same because it's a browser-based, web-based interface. In the next video, I will show you how to get comfortable with Jupyter, and we will be also writing our first Hello World program in Python. So hope to see you in the next video.